So chances are you've either fallen or you're looking for videos to know what to do if you do happen to fall. I'm hoping it's the second category and that you're not on the ground watching me right now. But let's go over a few different strategies of how you can get yourself up from the floor if you have fallen. Starting out, let's say you're on your back. Here, the first strategy we're gonna do, I'm gonna have you bend one leg and you're gonna try to bring that leg over to the other side using your arm and trunk for some momentum. So I'm gonna go here, bring over to the side here, and now I'm on my side like this. I'm going to put my hand down and plant my elbow so that I can sit myself up. At the same time, I'm trying to bend my legs so that I can get myself more easily into a sitting position. So from here, coming here, like so. All right, let's say we're about halfway there. Now, from here, we're gonna get into what's called a quadruped position, or on all fours, on your knees and on your hands. Now, I've spoken to a number of seniors and patients of mine. There's a few issues with this. One being, a lot of people have some knee pain that you can't kneel on. So we'll go over another strategy to help you avoid this later. But in the meantime, this is probably one of the most common strategies to getting up from the floor. So I'm on my hands and knees. Now, if you don't have enough upper body strength, you can kind of find your way to a chair or something to help you pull yourself up with that. Otherwise, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get one leg up into a lunge position, get both hands on this knee, and then I'm gonna push myself up like so. Now, let's say that you didn't have that upper body strength and you did find your way to a chair. Here's what you're gonna do from that quadruped on all fours position. I'm going to get my arms up on here, get myself nice and tall, and then I'm gonna turn myself sideways so that my hip is against the chair. Then from here, I'm gonna try to get that leg up into a lunge position, right? So it probably helps if you're tall, give yourself some room. And then I'm just gonna try to slide my butt onto that chair to get myself in a seated position, and then I can stand from there. Okay, so let's go over strategy number 2. The advantage of this one is that you don't have to kneel at all, and so your knees are saved. The disadvantage is that you kind of need a prerequisite or a certain amount of upper body strength and lower body mobility to do this in the first place. So if you're looking for some exercises to strengthen your upper body so that you can pick yourself up after you fall, check out this video that I made up in the corner here. But anyway, say again, you fell on your back. I'm gonna do the same strategy to kind of get myself into a sitting position. So my knee is bent. I'm going to turn myself over to the other side, bring my legs up, plant my elbow and push my hand down and push myself up into a sitting position. Now, what am I gonna do once I'm here? I'm gonna straighten out one leg, preferably the leg that's less mobile. So with that, I'm going to cross this leg over here, the other leg, right? Bent, cross it over. I'm gonna take my hand here, plant my other hand behind me, turn, get onto my toes, and then inch my way up. So I kind of, from another angle here, cross over, hand behind me, hand here, turn, I'm on my toes, and I inch my way up. I have seen this done by certain individuals who have fallen before, so it is possible, but not easy. So that's why I recommend getting some strength and mobility training so that you're prepared for this if it ever does happen. This next strategy is just gonna go over what happens if you fall on your stomach, which is basically just gonna be, you're gonna end up doing the same thing as strategy 1 or 2 to actually get yourself fully up, but it's just gonna show you how to turn yourself into a sitting position if you landed forwards rather than on your back. So say I'm fully on my tummy here. I want to get one arm nice and close to me so it's packed in. My other arm is out to the side to give me some leverage so that I can push myself back that way. Now from here, I'm going to push, and at the same time, say I'm using my right arm to push, I want my right leg to kind of reach behind me to give myself a little bit of help in turning myself. So left arm close, right arm out to the side, push, and my right leg travels backwards so that I'm on my side and on my left elbow here, right? Now, same idea, I'm gonna bring my legs up, so right hand on the ground, And then I'm going to push myself into a sitting position. And then from here, I can either get myself into quadruped, or if kneeling isn't an option, I can try for that crossover, plant my hand, turn onto my toes, and inchworm my way up. So that's strategies for how to get yourself standing again if you've fallen. Go ahead and leave your comments down below if you have any questions or other concerns. Appreciate your time watching. Thank you.